Hi guys, welcome back. So today I'm here with, I know you don't see the name, but Beaufox. I've actually gotten a wig from this company before and it was pretty good. And today this is the packaging I got today. It's a bag, not a box. So let's see what we got. So there's an information card in here, so you know that it's Beaufox Hair. Has their information, you know, their website, everything listed, social media, deals, all that good stuff. Got a wig cap and I got the wig. That's everything that came in the bag. I've been doing blonde quite frequently, but I promise I definitely have colored videos coming for you. That's gonna be exciting because I'm going to always try to do colors that I've never done before. So yeah, you know, it has their tag in there and everything. It's a full-on lace front wig, which is what I love. I love my lace fronts. It's a 13x4. It has 3 combs in total on the inside, adjustable straps. This is how it looks, and it is a bit pre-plucked, so that is good. Yeah, it's a medium cap size as well, and it's a straight texture. I'm gonna go ahead, shed check. Got a couple strands. Try that again. Don't get no strands. 1 strand. 1 more strand. Okay, so it is shedding a little bit straight out of the package, not excessive. So it does have flyaways, but I'm pretty sure I can tame these with my flat iron. So we're gonna see how this turns out. Let me go ahead and jump into application. So this is pretty like long past my ears, so you guys don't have to cut away the excess. And be mindful that when you cut away the ear portion, you will have some shedding. I'll just hold on for dear life. Yeah, I can't give up this feeling that I get when looking down from this high. Now with you, now with you, I'm with you, that I get when looking down from this high. I'll just hold on for dear life. Yeah, I can't give up this feeling that I get when looking down from the sky. Now with you, some layers. It's looking like butter, and it's really long on me. It's very true to length. I'm gonna go over the front area here to give it a little nice, you know, bump. It's looking so good. As you can see, I just went through it with my flat iron, and it's so silky. So I can say it's like normal minimal shedding for a brand new processed wig out of the package. It's very easy to install. Number one reason is because it was kind of bigger than my head, so once it's bigger, it's just always easier for me to like install. When it's too small, it doesn't give me a lot of space to work with, so I'm happy. Getting medium is always safe. Medium / large. Rarely get large. This felt closer to a large though, I must say, but it's a medium cap. So yeah, Beaufox Hair. Yeah, you're looking for some nice blonde wig, I could definitely go ahead and tone this. It does have the yellow look, but it can rock straight out of the packaging because I'm gonna be wearing this for the day. So this is gonna be my look, or for the weekend maybe, because when I change I'm going back to black, you know. But I have some colored wigs, colored looks coming up for you guys for sure. Look at this movement. That's so nice. That's so nice. But I'm going to put all the information of this down below in my description box. Be sure to go ahead and check that out because this is lit. Let me know your thoughts about this down below in the comment section. I know in the initial installation stage, I know it looked crazy, but it came out pretty nice. It came out pretty nice. If you liked this video, go ahead and give it a thumb up. If you like the look, go ahead and give it a thumb up. This is more of a weekend special occasion week, definitely. This is bold. This is bold. This is not everybody's cup of tea, as I've mentioned before, you know, but it's good to change it up drastic every now and again. And yeah, that's it. But yeah guys, that's it for today's wig look. Don't forget to go ahead and subscribe, like, and share this video, and I'll see you guys in my next video. So until then, just want to wig up on yourself.